Hello 10th grader, how are you doing today? Get ready to start your physics lesson. We're going to start with the section 2.1 ionic bonding, covalent bonding, and metallic bonding on page 36 and 37. And before we get started with the some type of bond, we have to know what is the meaning of bond, which the definition of bond is a force leading to the attraction among the atoms of an element due to the mutual interaction among its positive and negative charges. Some types of bond are ionic bonding. Ionic bond is formed when electrons are lost and gained by two or more atoms. When atoms lose electrons, they become positive ion. When atoms lose electrons, they became a positive ion. Okay, when atoms gain electrons, they became a negative ions. Okay, when atoms gain electrons, they became a negative ions. Ionic bonds are formed between metallic and non-metallic. Here is the picture of NaCl, which is sodium chloride. Okay, sodium atom have one electron, okay, in outer shell, so it will give it to chlorine atom. It will become NaCl, okay, which Na will be a positive since it is lost, it is one electron, and Cl, which is chlorine ion, will be a negative ion because it is gained one electron from Na. Na became a positive. Why a positive? Because it is lost one electron. And Cl will be a negative ion. Why? Because it gained one electron. So here it was ionic bonding. The second bond is a covalent bonding. A covalent bond, also called a molecular bond, is a chemical bond that involves the sharing of electron pairs between atoms. Here it is, the pairs, okay? These are pairs. Okay? And they share the electron between them, okay? Here it is, the electron between them. For example, if we have a oxygen atom and other oxygen atom, they will share electrons. Okay, molecules of oxygen gas formed by covalent bond. Atoms share electrons to make each more stable. The third bond is a metallic bonding. A metallic bond is the sharing of many detached electrons between many positive ions, where the electrons act as a glue, giving the substance a definite structure. Here we have the positive ions, and these little red balls are free electrons, okay? Free electron between positive ions. We call this the metallic ions. And here it is, the free electrons from outer shells of metal atoms. The free electrons, what is the free electrons? Any electron that is not attached to any ion or atom or molecules. Okay, any electron that is not attached or not connected, okay, to any ion or atoms or molecule. We have a note here. Covalent bond occurs between the two non-metals. Metallic bond occurs between two metals, and the ionic bond occurs between the metal and the non-metal. Here it is, the last picture, which is chemical bonding. Here we have ionic and covalent and metallic. So please try to write or write this information on your notebook, okay? And also grab these pictures, okay? We have here formulas, okay, formulas of phases of matter and forces among their molecules. We have three formulas. These formulas are very important, so please try to write it on your notebook. And here it is 1, 2, 3, and also you have to keep them, okay? So Vm is a molar volume. The unit of molar volume is meter cubic, and mm is a molar mass, unit is kilogram, and rho, we call this rho, is density, unit kilogram per meter cubic, which here we have V. V is the volume of one atom, unit is meter cubic, and Na is Avogadro's number, unit small, power -1, okay, and L here equals is the interatomic distance, which is unit is meter. Okay, this formulas was on page 37. Okay, try to keep these three formulas, because next lesson we're gonna solve some problem that are we will use this formula. So good luck.